This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Mary Porta. 4-point inspection done on February 13, 2025, furnished, 55-plus community located in Brittany Estates. Fishing, boating, clubhouse. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home with an enclosed lanai, updated kitchen, subflooring replaced 2 years ago, screened porch with tile, workshop/office/craft room. Cooperative community living. Ownership includes a share granting access to outstanding amenities and a vibrant social scene. Brittany Estates has a year-round heated pool, access to Lake Griffin when available, for covered boat slips equipped with lifts. Play some horseshoes or go fishing at the private pier beckons on the shores of Lake Griffin. Shed is included with several items. Approval application is $200. Also included is a gas-powered lawn mower. Call Mary Porta for more information.